Good morning. Just a quick short position here on DO. 100 shares, short at 76 even. It's up around 5%. Like I said, it's one of these quick trades in the morning for me. Market's coming off pretty well on the side. This is showing some strength, but I'm going to hold it here and see if we do get a pullback, and then I'll be sure to cover and just be that morning trade that I like to take, as I mentioned in my last video, at times if there is one that presents itself. So, give us a moment. I have an order out to cover at 75.60 for a 40-cent profit. So I'm going to wait here, hopefully get filled, and then look for a different trade. Like I said, with maybe, obviously, more time into the market. As far as I said, this one's just a quick morning one that I'll take. As far as volatility goes, I mean, this thing went up 5% in around 5 minutes. So there we go, got filled, 40 cents on the trade, short DO 76, and covered at 75.60. So that one went up real quick. You can see here, these are 5-minute candles. Closed at 72 yesterday and went up to 76.50. So you got to figure there's going to be some profit takers. It's doing heavy volume. It's got a great daily chart, so I do think it's going to go up, but I think it's going to have to take a breather, so that's the reason why I shorted there and took a little profit. So see what else we get today. Okay, I entered a long position on EOG. This stock had earnings a couple days ago and kind of tanked, and I've been waiting for it to come back around, and today it's showing some strength, and so it came up. And then it pulled back about $1. You can see here it came up, opened at 90, came up to 92.20, and then pulled back, and I got filled on the pullback. So buying some strength here on a pullback. So going to see what we can do. I only took 100 shares due to the fact that it's price action in the past. You never know; it can be pretty volatile with the types of swings with the earnings and the ranges here from 86 to 92. So I can get out of hand pretty quickly going against you. So I only took 100 shares with the type of price that I got filled at. If it went lower, I would have picked up 200, but didn't get that opportunity. But it is working okay so far. This is another oil stock. That was the previous one was an oil driller. This one is more of a natural gas stock. But if you take a look at the daily chart here, you can see gap down here, and then you can see these 3 long tails that happened 3 days in a row. So just showing that buyers were there every time that it got lower. So I was waiting for this to have some bullish momentum after this strong dip. So looks so far today like some buyers are stepping in, and I'm going to see what type of upward momentum we get. But just to show you the reason I did get in was because right off the bat the stock was showing strength. Put it on a 5-minute chart. You can see it was showing strength right off the bat, and then as soon as it gave me an opportunity to get in at a lower price, I did. So went up, pulled back, and then I got involved. So you kind of got to be able to still see the strength when the stock's coming down. So that's how you get cheaper prices, and you're able to actually make a profit as opposed to buying higher up. I was actually also going to buy the break here. You can see here this. Get my arrow out. Yesterday's resistance. As soon as it got above that, I was going to buy it, but I'm not really into doing that, so I didn't do it, and then it went without me, and I was like, oh, I wanted to be in, but I didn't get in. So then once it pulled back, I still had the sentiment to be involved, so that enabled me to just buy when it dipped back to lower prices. So got around 78 cents in the trade here. It's working pretty well. I'm going to hold it and see what we can get out of it, because it just pulled back and buyer stepped in again. So market's chopping around. It's got a 10-cent spread on it, if you notice that. It's up around 3%. You can see on my screen up here, EOG, that blue highlighted one, is doing around 30% average volume. It's about average. So, and hang around, come back, see what happens. Okay, I just took a fill there at 92.18 for a 77 cent gain, just 100 shares long from 91.41 and out at 92.18. Because I was going to hold longer, and then, sometimes I just don't want to wait. It's okay, I'm just like, I got the money or the profit or whatever, and it's just like, just get out, and it's fine. As opposed to whipping back down. As I said in one of my other videos, I'm trying to just focus on getting some profits here and building my capital so I can take out bigger share size. So far, 2 winning trades, just 100 shares each, and see what else we get today. Okay, just quickly, I wanted to get in this Cree trade here. You can see that it came down here 55.50 to 54, right where there was some support last 2 days, so 3 days. And I wanted to get in, and then I was looking at it, trying to figure out what price I felt comfortable with, blah, 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 and I missed the trade. So I was just thinking, you really need some pattern recognition, when you turn this chart on, you see it, and it's coming down, it's right there, and you see something, you got to be able to recognize it right away so you can get filled. Otherwise, you'll miss the trade. So I was just thinking that I need to really maybe improve some of that. Like, I should be able to see with my eyes right away if it's going to be something that I would like to be involved in, so I don't have to think too much and miss the trade if I just click to a chart really quickly and it's there. Otherwise, normally you should just have the trade prepared, but sometimes when you look and it's there, you just some chart recognition, because I would have had 60 cents out of the trade already. So, okay, I'm trying to short here on Joy G, 200 shares, 76.42. Broke through this resistance from yesterday. Now it's on its way back down on decent sized volume, so that's the reason behind the trade. Don't know how much I'm looking for. Usually I just trade based, I'm usually looking for 30 cents off these, 40 cents off these $76, $80 stocks. I mean, I don't know. It all depends on the momentum, but anyway, let's see what happens. Okay, it's been around 5 minutes. Got 30 cents in the trade. Going to gonna try to grab it here. Let's see if I can get filled at 10. Partial fill there. You can see I got 36 shares left. Sometimes that happens. So I'm going to have to wait to see if they want to fill me in. Oh, got filled there. So that was Joy G, short 200 shares, 76.54. Or sorry, 76.42. Covered at 76.10 for a 23-cent profit. You can see reason behind this trade. Some resistance, came above it, and then once it started on its way back down on decent volume, I got involved because it looked like the bulls got tired and they weren't going to continue to push it up. So nice trade there. Up around $182 on the day. No losers, 3 winners. So see if I want to do any more today. Not a bad day so far. No reason to give any back. Still trading a really small size, so if I'm trading big size, I'd be up a lot more money, so I'm trying to view it like that instead of just taking so many little trades, because every little trade is money at risk. So, if I was trading 500 shares with all those, I'd be up $800 now. So, I'm going to try to just keep my mind right as far as the good trades I'm getting and not give any back. So, I think I'm going to call it a day. If something else comes up, I will pull it up. Alright, just going to take one last quick trade on Amazon here, and I will be done for the day. Got long at 171 even. Market came down, so did Amazon. So I'm going to look for a quick little bounce here, and then I am out. Alright, changed my mind already. That was good. I don't change my mind that quickly very often, which is sometimes detrimental to my P&L. Anyway, I just decided to say forget about it and just keep my profits and get out for the day. So I'm going to be finished up 180. Said 3 trades that Amazon won. Don't really count. Got in and out about 10 seconds. So good day today. Disciplined, and see what's going on tomorrow.